Okay, so this is going to be exporting in 3 different file formats: MP4, AVI and GIF. First of all, let's have a look at my amazing animation. It's very, very simple with the ball moving around the screen. Okay, now I want to export it. First, we're going to do MP4. So we go back to SynFig, I go to File, then Render. I then need to change the extension to MP4, and I'm just going to change this to My Animation 4. In Target, I then go to FFmpeg or FFmpeg. I go to Parameters, and I make sure that I'm on MP4 lossless. I press OK. I can now render. Once it finishes rendering, you should always make sure that it has rendered successfully. So this is my animation here, my animation number 4. I double click on it and it should play. Notice my background has been filled in grey because I didn't have a background selected. And now we are going to do AVI. So I need to go to File, I go to Render, I then change the extension to AVI. I keep it the same, FFmpeg. I go to my parameters and I change this one to xvid divx. I now press OK. I'm going to change it to my animation number 5 and I press render. This will take a couple of seconds. If your animation is much longer or it includes images, it will take longer. You can now see my animation number 5 is here. If I open that up, there we go. You should always make sure your animation works. Okay, so next up we will do GIF. GIF will automatically loop and you should check that they work in Chrome. It also takes much longer to render. Even for a short animation such as this, it's going to take probably 3 or 4 times as long. So if the other ones took 2 seconds, this one will probably take 9. So the first thing I need to do is change this to GIF. Then I change my target to GIF. I then choose where it goes. I'm quite happy with the destination. I'm just going to change it to my animation number 6. I now press render. You'll see it says rendering. It does take a little bit longer. If you have got images or anything like that, it will take vastly longer. So that took 11 seconds, the other ones took 2. So now if I go back, I can see that it's here, number 6. If I right click and I go open with, and I haven't got Chrome here, but I'm just going to use Internet Explorer, and we can see, there we go. It has filled the background in as white. It's actually blank, but the page is white. There we go. And that is it. So yeah, good luck.